How to use Zendrop for Shopify dropshipping. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zendrop for Shopify dropshipping and how you can integrate Zendrop into Shopify store. So let's get into it. So first of all, let me tell you what is dropshipping. So dropshipping is basically a kind of business that you can do online where you get the products from some other store in less amounts and then you sell them on your store in a larger amount. And basically the profit that you're going to make in between those two payments is the thing that you're going to earn. So these days people are earning a lot of money from drop shipping. It has become so common and so easy because the real good catch of drop shipping is that you don't have to actually buy the product before it is required by the client or it is ordered. So you only buy the product only if it is ordered by the person or it is required by the client. So whenever a person places an order, that is when you buy the product from the other store and then you send it directly to the person who required it or the person who placed the order, and you don't have to worry about the the addresses. You don't have to worry about sending, and you don't have to worry about anything else. You don't have to worry about the inventory prices, or you don't have to get a big garage or something to store the products. You just directly send them to the place they are required at. So this is basically made the business very easy. So Zendrop is a kind of app which allows you to drop ship the products on your stores and sell them as and to start a drop shipping business. So when you open the Zendrop, here you can see I have started the free version. I have asked to sign in, and these are the details that are required: the first name, last name, email, password, and preferred contact method. So I'm just going to quickly sign this up and then I'm going to get back to you guys. Okay, so after signing in on Zendrop, here you can see this is basically the main dashboard. Here you can see your fulfilled orders if you have any, but this is the new account, so I don't have any orders right now. Here is your overview, the costs that you have made, the sales you have made, and the total cost and the profit that you have made in the last 7 days. You can change it to last 14, last 13, last year sales, and you can basically scroll down and see your orders to fulfill that are basically the pending orders that you have right now. Here you can see you have a couple of other options. You can find products from this option, and this is basically your import list, imported products, my codes, and orders. So what you're going to do is basically you are going to get on the find products section and you're going to find some products for yourself. So here you can see you can search for any products that you want. Whatever your niche is, here you can see you have a backless halter long dress, you have mobile phone screen cleaner, you have pet drinking fountain, you have shisha hookah hose. Like there are a lot of things that you can choose from and you can import onto your store. So first of all, after getting here, you can see after searching your product, after finding that if you want something from Zendrop and these are the things that you want to import, then you need to connect your Zendrop to the store that you want. Like for example, if you have a Shopify store, if you have a Wix store, whatever store that you have, you want to connect your Zendrop to that specific store. How you can do that? There's very simple ways that you can do that from Shopify and from Zendrop as well. So here you can see I'm going to onto my Shopify, and this is the page that I'm the main Shopify account. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on this option which says add apps. Just click on that and you're going to basically get onto the page where it is going to allow you to add apps to your Shopify. Okay, so after add apps, here you can see that this is basically where you're going to search for apps. If you want to go into the app store, you can click on this one in recommended apps and you can go to that. But I already have Zendrop installed, so you can just click on that and it is going to open Zendrop for you. But what you can do is basically, let me show you. Okay, so here you can see these are the apps where you can find different apps. If you scroll down, you're going to see this option Shopify App Store. Just click on that and it's going to open the whole app store for you. So here you can see what you're going to do is basically search for app Zendrop. And here you can see Zendrop Global Dropshipping. So open that app and it is basically going to give you an option to install that app into your Shopify. So for that, you're just going to click on this open app. I have already installed it. That's why it is not giving me an option to install, but you are just going to click on this install or open app, whatever the option is available. Then it is going to directly connect your Zendrop to your Shopify. After that, whenever you click on Zendrop, it is going to open the product page for you, like this one or like this one that we have opened on the Zendrop before. So I'm just going to go on to the page that is opening right now, and here you can see this is basically my find product. So what you're going to do is then you're just going to get a product. Like for example, if this is the product that I want to sell on my page, and I'm going to click on this add to import list. It is into my import list right now. I'm just going on to my import list, and here you can see you're going to see this product right here. It is a vacuum electric blackhead remover cleaner, and my store is related to beauty and etc. So that's why this is a fit for my store. I'm going going to sell it on my store. So here you can see I'm going to click on this option, import to store. Now that my store and my Zendrop are connected, my Zendrop is connected to my Shopify store. That's why I can directly import this item onto my Shopify store. So I'm just going to click on import to store, and here you can see by clicking confirm, you agree that you have read and accept the above conditions. I'm just going to click on this, and here you can see your product is being imported. You can see the progress in the imported product. So I'm just going to click on this imported products, and here you can see I will find this product imported to my Shopify store. It is still importing. It may take a few seconds to few minutes, and okay, so it is imported right now. I can go onto my Shopify. I can go into my products, and here you can see that this is the product that I just imported from Zendrop, vacuum electric blackhead remover cleaner. So it is in inventory, 5,000 in stock for one variant. The vendor is me type. I don't have any type right now. You can change these things when you are basically importing the product. You can just go on and see everything that you like. If you don't like anything, you can basically edit that and then import the product. It is completely up to you. So this is how basically you add products into your store from Zendrop. It is very good. It is very easy. You don't have to do anything, and dropshipping is very in use these days, and people are basically earning a lot from dropshipping. So I would totally recommend you to use Zendrop for your dropshipping purposes and earn money as much as you want. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope I was a big help to you. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.